20-second tips
for home learning.
Welcome back to another 20-second tip for home learning. Now, if you're like me and you struggle with time management and focusing on the task at hand, this one is going to be a game changer for you whenever you're working at home. It's called the Pomodoro Technique.
What now? Non parlo italiano.
Don't be scared by the name. It's a simple technique that lets you break down large chunks of work into smaller study sessions that will be so much easier to handle. All you need is a tomato. Might need to look up how this works again. Step 1. Turn off notifications on your phone. 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. 3. Study really hard until the timer goes off. 4. After 25 minutes, take a short break. 5 minutes is perfect. 5. Give yourself a check mark after each study session. 6. After 4 sessions, take a longer break, like 20 or 30 minutes. 7. Repeat. This technique is perfect for when you're overwhelmed by the amount of work you have to do, or if you're the type of person who struggles with paying attention for long periods of time, which is basically everybody. And if you're wondering what to do with the tomato, it kind of needs to be a kitchen timer in order to work. So I guess just make a pizza. If you found this tip useful, give it a thumbs up and comment more tomatoes if you want more videos about the Pomodoro Technique. I've also put a link to my blog post below that gives you a bunch of other resources to check out if you find this technique as helpful as I do. And now for the random fact of the week. Nostrils don't split their workload evenly at all times. Usually one side is working harder than the other, and they switch back and forth over the course of the day.